Video, we'll talk about some of the basic transition effects that you should use in your Global Perspectives project in order to add more detail and intrigue to your project. So currently, my project has this intro where the characters come in and they talk to one another, and the scene will switch at a certain point once this character's brother starts talking. I want to add more detail to this transition. So it switched to a desert, but I want to add more detail to that. The way that I can do that is with the following scripts. So if I go into scripts, and if I look at scripts, I can go into my looks drawer, and I have these two blocks, actually these three blocks: change, set, and clear. So this block right here contains all of the effects. You'll notice that even if I hit it right now, it actually starts changing the character's look, and I can clear it just by clicking on clear. I can set the color effect for different characters by changing the value of a certain block and just entering it there, and then again I can clear it. So these are the blocks that you'll use in order to set certain effects. There's a bunch of different effects in here, and you should play with them a little bit to see what they do: color, fisheye, whirl, pixelate, mosaic, brightness, and ghost. In this tutorial, I just want to combine two of these. I want to combine the whirl and I want to combine the ghost to show you what I could do to create a transition. So right now, if I go to stage, when I receive brother talk, this character will start talking, and then I'll switch the backdrop to the desert. Well, let me add some transition effects to that. I'll move this out of the way for now, and I'm actually going to drag something from the control block. It's the repeat block, because I want to use these effects in a way where it keeps repeating over and over. It's just the user doesn't see it. You'll have to play with these numbers, but for my example, I'm going to put a repeat 50. I'm going to go to my looks, and I'm going to change the whirl effect. Oops. I'm going to change the whirl effect by 10, and then I'm going to change the ghost effect by 2. Okay, so I'm going to change the whirl and the ghost, but I'm going to change that one. I'm going to clear the graphic effects so I can get back to the start. The main thing that you need to do is, once you actually create graphic effects, you got to clear them after it's done. Otherwise, you're going to return back when when you click the flag again, and the program's going to be all crazy. So you got to make sure that after you've done it, you've cleared it at a certain point. You could clear it when the flag is clicked. I put that there just in case. But you could also clear it once you're done with it. So now that I've cleared the graphic effects, I can switch the backdrop to the desert. So now, if I go to my intro and I let my characters talk, I will see this highlighted once my character, once the brother talk has been activated. And you'll notice that's kind of a cool effect. Again, I would encourage you to play with the effects within the looks drawer of and these three blocks: change, set, and clear. Play with some of those, throw in a repeat block, see what you can get to create effective transitions.